Good morning. It is Monday, May 6th, 2024. Let's focus on casino this morning. Look like the market is up pre-market, could be a pump across the board with the strength in China stock. China, the last week or two, I am happy to see that MLCO is finally waking up from the dirt nap that it took. It took a harder hit than many other China stock, but I bought below 7. Yeah, it's I've been buying below 7 for a while. Okay, for a while. The first time was back here, and then around 7-ish, below 7, and even in a mid 6 down here. Wow, that was crazy. But um, as crazy as it sounds, I would add into I would add more if it's checked back. But for now, let it run. Would I trim here? No. The answer is no. Okay, I'm gonna stay greedy there. Um, and would I trim into the 200? The answer is yes. Would I trim into this tough resistance here? The answer is yes. So for me right now, I'm not looking to trim until I see 873, and then the last two time that it got here, I trimmed 925. I have order in at 925 sitting there, but I will add an order in. Of course, the last two time when I trimmed at 925, the 200 was way up there, right? But now that the 200 is coming down, there will be a trim order in at 8.73. But for now, yeah, there is room to run a whole lot more, another 15-20%. It's high risk, so that's part of the high risk, high reward kind of play. I would recommend for the people that is weak in the tummy. Now, as far as American uh, or global player, I like Las Vegas Sand down here. Okay, I bought some on the big dump. I wait for it, and I like this move, very strong move on pullback below 46. Yeah, I would buy. I would buy, but doesn't look. We'll see. If like I said, if I have ordered in at 46 all the way down to 45. Okay, so I like LVS here more so than WYNN. WYNN a little bit tricky. It's at resistance. All right, it was support, and then it become resistant, and then it break out, and then it break down again, and now it's back. Okay, it can go sideways. I might add some win here just because I have a small position, but I do think there could be a potential breakout. Uh, it can easily break down. Okay, win is one of those crazy stocks that I play very small because, as you can see, it's very violent. It moves very violently. Um, so if you buy here in the mid 60s, don't be surprised to see 90 and lose 4%, 5% real quickly. um, can it move 10% higher? Yeah, it can also move 10% lower. Okay, so that's why I like Las Vegas Sand more. Now, last for today, MGM is kind of like in the middle. I like this one the least, to be honest, because it's kind of in the middle. I bought it here on this support and I trim, right? I bought it here and then I suffer the consequence and then I trim on this pop here. Okay, so once again, would I buy below 39? The answer is yes. Would I buy um, down here? Yeah, at support. Answer is absolutely yes. Right now, it's kind of in the middle of no man's land. It definitely was a no buy here, up here. Okay, so if I buy below 40, I would definitely trim 42, 43. So as you can see in the chart I show, MLCO had the biggest bang for the buck, and And then next up, you have LVS, Las Vegas Sand. And then as far as last but not least, I would say it's going to be MGM. I think WYNN had the potential. But for now, that's it for today. Good luck. Look like the strength of last week will continue for now until we see more economic data coming out this week, right? So watch out. Be careful.